Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Android overheating and battery issue. Okay, first of all, we can open our settings application on our Android phone. Then we're going to find the device care setting. You can scroll down to find it. Okay, and this is the device care setting. We're going to click on it, and here we can click on the diagnostics option. Okay, and since we want to fix Android overheating and battery issue, we can click on battery usage diagnostics. Okay, and as you can see that there's no apps detected using too much battery, but if there is an app detected using too much battery, it will appear right here, and you can fix it. And you can also click on phone diagnostics. Okay, and since we want to fix battery issue, we can select the battery status. You can tap on the battery status right here and click on test. But since I have tested this battery status, so here the test again that appear on my screen, and you just need to wait for a moment. Okay, and now as you can see that my battery is good, there's no battery issue on my phone. And if there is an issue on your phone, you can fix it right here. Alright guys, and that's how we can fix Android overheating and battery issue. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.